guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Everything Renee, and today for all my hairy chicas out there, chicks, honeys, ladies, men, whoever, judging from the title, you already know what this video is about. This is how I wax myself. I'm literally waxing my face.
Preferably, is it preferably?
Specifically, my chin.
First, let's just talk about the elephant in the room, yes.
Welcome to the party. Yes. It's because I call myself using a different skin product, and normally when that happens, this happens, so it's okay. Calm down. I started doing my makeup and then I stumbled upon my stubble. So that's why we're here now. For all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get right into it.
First, this is my chin hair. There's chin hair number 1, chin hair number 2.
I am suffering, yes, suffering, with a rare condition called trigeminal neuralgia. It is due to my chronic illness, multiple sclerosis. Trigeminal neuralgia affects the nerves in the face. Waxing is not always something that I could do. So basically, when I can't wax, I probably do the worst thing possible.
And that is use a fucking razor. Yes, a razor.
This thing right here. Yeah, I'll just go. And ladies, do not ever do that, because when I use a razor, honey, my hair absolutely grows back darker and I feel like thicker. Like, it's really bad. So when my nerves are calm in my face, that's when I take advantage of doing more of my facial. Hold on, let me put some fucking lip gloss on. When I take advantage of being able to exfoliate, wax, and even tweezing if I have to, but I don't like to. I hate it, actually.
That's right.
My nerves are good, and if I do this when my nerves aren't good, that can trigger a moment and I'll be in pain for
days, weeks, months at a time. So, honey, I ain't trying to do all that for no motherfucking hairs. You know what I'm saying? So.
But yes, my face is calm. Now I'm about to take advantage of the moment, and this is what I like to do.
This video is not sponsored.
This is the product. It's called Gigi. You can find it in a bunch of different brands, but this is the one that I have. I have shown this on my channel before, but here I am showing it again. I spent $3.99 on this. As you can see, it's the tweezless wax. You do not need any wax strips for this as well. All you do is put it on your chin or wherever your hairy freaking parts are, and let it dry and snatch it off. It also comes with a little direction book just in case you're a slow bitch like me. But first, we need to put it in the microwave. This is what the container looks like. I like it because it has this little grip thing on the side for when you take it out of the microwave. It's easy, you know, access. You get what I'm saying?
I was defrosting some chicken, huh?
1 minute. In the meantime, you're gonna need something to stir it up with. It actually comes with a little wooden spoon, but it's been so long I don't have that anymore, so I just use this little, you know, plastic straw so that I can easily stir it up and the heat can evenly distribute. This is what it should look like. It is hot wax, so be very careful. Take my straw and I just mix it up just like that.
This bump is giving me the blues. Looks like I got punched in my eye, but I didn't.
Here's the wax. It should look like this. See, now you can see my hair is just a little bit better here.
Hormones help.
Get a good amount. It is hot.
Bruh.
It's okay if it drips. The cleanup is very easy because it's wax. I like to put about maybe 3 or 4 layers of wax on there, so then when it's time to snatch it off, I get a really good grip of it. Feels good. Alright, that's pretty thick, but I always like to make it thick enough so I can just grab. I don't have time to be playing no games. I just want to grab it and rip out all those fucking hairs, you know? So I'm gonna go over to this side.
So then you just wait. I haven't gotten bold enough to do my mustache yet. I don't know. I have no idea. No, I don't think I can. No. You can tap it to the touch and see the hardness of it, and pretty much just snatch it off whenever you're ready. This is the moment I'm never excited for, besides getting rid of those fucking hairs. So I really can't think about it, but you want to just make sure the ends of it are just, you know, a little bit away, so it's an easy grab. That's why I like to put so many layers on. Yeah, this one's gonna hurt. Okay, so you can't think about it. I didn't even get the hairs. Fuck. Is this a fail? Is this a fucking fail? I really don't think I left it on long enough because it's very soft. And I'm not gonna lie, that's the shortest time I've ever left it on before trying to snatch it off. I didn't even leave the bathroom. So, I'll be back for sure. So I had to get comfortable. I don't know exactly how much time has gone by, but here we go. Don't think, just do. Can you see the hairs? There was 2 hairs. That is so disgusting. Don't think, just let me get a good grip. Don't think. Don't. This one gonna hurt. 1, 2. There's no focus on this camera, but they're definitely there.
Then what I like to do,
if you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I got a bunch of new shit coming up for the New Year's. I hope everybody is well. And that's it. Bye.